Hi, and welcome to the Barnaby Festival 2020 Homemade Parade Writing Workshop. I'm Ailsa. I've called the workshop Words to Make the Future With because I strongly believe in the power of words to change things. The Barnaby theme is vision, and a vision can seem like something that's just inside our heads, but if we manage to give it a shape, as a picture or as words, and put it out into the world, we are already beginning to make that vision a reality. The future will be made of the words around us. I'm a writer of poetry and other things, and a placard and banner maker. I think a lot about how we can use words to say the things that we really need to say. Poetry says things about love and life and death that can't be said any other way. And placards and banners may express rage or fear, but people also use them to find humour and hope, and to say what they're standing up for, not just what they're against. And those are the kind of words we'd really like people to find for their creations for the Barnaby Homemade Parade. We've all been through lots of emotions in the past few months. Some people have faced terrible danger, and many or most of us have felt and maybe continue to feel angry and afraid. A lot of us have been using the windows, walls and doorsteps of our houses to communicate with each other, to say important things during lockdown, to say thank you to the NHS and key workers, to remind people to stay home and stay safe, and to share rainbows of hope. The Homemade Parade is a chance to do that and more. A festival is a time to share joy and happiness. And Barnaby is one of those occasions where we can share what we love about our town, who we are. Because this year's theme is vision, we're asking you to think about your vision for the future, for yourself, for your family, for Macclesfield, or for the world. Maybe there's something that you want to be different, or maybe there's something about lockdown that you've really loved and don't want to lose. So let's start getting some words down. Hit pause if you need to go and get a pen and paper. Hit pause at any point if you need to think or write or go and get a cuppa. You can write on your own, or you can team up with someone else in your house. So let's start by writing down words that come to mind when you think of life as it is now. Whether you're in lockdown, or a key worker, or someone who would normally be in school. Any words, negative or positive, serious or funny, single words or phrases. Don't judge your words or anyone else's. Pause this for as long as you need while you're doing this. Now, read the words out loud. That's quite important. Read them out loud to yourself or to each other if you're working as a team. Are there one or two particular words or phrases that made you feel something as you read them or heard them? Of all the words you have on the page, which ones do you feel most strongly about? So turn over the paper and write one of those words or phrases on the back. If it's a positive one, so one of mine was lots of time with my kids, then think about how that positive thing could be continued into the future. If it's negative, one of mine was scared for my parents, then think about what would have to happen for that to be different. Write down in more detail what you love about your positive thing, or what would have to change about your negative thing to make things better. Don't limit your visions to what seems realistic. This is about our hopes and dreams. Pause for as long as you need. I wish we could be doing this in a room so everyone could tell me what they're writing, but we are where we are. So now comes the point where we shape what we've written into something that's more shareable. Something that can be read and understood by someone as we walk past them in our virtual parade. I'd go for a maximum of 5 words. We don't need lots of words to say something powerful. Think of Black Lives Matter. Make a statement of your vision of how the future could be better. The ones I ended up with from lots of time with my kids were be less busy and make more art. From scared for my parents, I got let's fund the NHS. Your visions might be about the environment or sport or longer playtimes at school, or about how a community like Macclesfield can work together to support everybody in it. For the parade, you could put your vision on a flag, like Becca has demonstrated in her workshop, or on a poster in your window, or on a t-shirt, or in chalk on your house wall. But if you're going to do that, please check with the rest of your family first. I can't wait to see what everyone comes up with for the 20th of June at 12 o'clock. Let's stay home and paint the town Barnaby for a fantastic homemade parade. Thanks for doing some writing with me today, and I'll see you then. Take care.